get it.
Hey guys!
Hi guys.
Today, Logan will be trying the very new Christmas Tree Frappuccino. Logan, are you ready? Okay, let's take a look at it first. Oh, there it is. Yummy. Okay, Logan, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, try it. It's good? What does it taste like?
Gum.
Tastes like gum? Does it taste like minty? Is it
Yeah.
mint? Does
Yeah.
it taste chocolatey?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? So it gets a thumbs up, the new Christmas Tree Frappuccino? Thumbs up! Is it yummy? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Logan tried the very new Christmas Tree Frappuccino. Bye!
Bye.